Hey guys, welcome back to Fully Defined. My name's Chris, and what we're about to do is a Model Monday live / not live replay challenge. In this recording, what I'm doing is following the live stream from Toby that went up for Monday, 9th of December, so a couple of nights ago. I've not seen these models. It's been a little while between speed modeling for me, so let's get into it. We're going to give it a real crack, see how we go. I'm expecting some mistakes and some rustiness. I've been busy doing some of my own series, which I'll talk about later, but yeah, let's see how we go.
Challenge begins in 3, 2, 1, go. What is the total mass of by multi-body part or assembly
Awesome.
in XXX grams? You can see in the upper left, there is a bill of materials. We've got two different materials here. Clean carbon steel, 7,800 kilograms per cubic meter, and ABS, 1020 kilograms per cubic meter. And you can see here that this model is called NJO, the 3D printer. What is the total mass of this multi-body part or assembly in XXX grams? Kind of like a pen. It's like the head of a 3D printer. Some type of a device here. What is the total mass of this multi-body part or assembly in XX?
It's good.
Grams?
It is good.
Tier 3 model here.
Lots of tier 3.
I like the little finger grippy.
It's like tier 4, tier 5. Man,
these two parts fit together. They fit together perfect. You can kind of see that in that section.
I am surprised.
They fit together perfect. There's no gap or anything. And it's got this cool banked feature in it that I like. Circular and linear edges. Backing. What is the total mass of this part? Maybe you want to view this thing in full screen on your computer.
What's that dimension? 51.7837.
What is the total mass of this multi-body part or assembly in XXX grams? All right, guys. I'm going to take one more sip of this delicious coffee.
This is pretty good.
On.
Pretty good, Toby. Let's draw a few more things then, eh?
Without the one of those you who too late. What's on screen right now is very.
I think I took too long just getting these next parts done.
Your challenge is to take this 2D print, turn it into a 3D model, then calculate the mass and answer the question: what is the total mass of this multi-body?
What's going on there?
In XXX grams. Tolerance plus or minus 2 grams.
That's right.
Some fun detail on this part. Part is called NJO 3D printer.
Just trying to find these dimensions.
All right, guys, and while you're working on that, we're going to go through and just give some updates from the world of
Focus on 30, 40.
Got a lot going on that you guys have seen. There's been a lot going on behind the scenes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're just
There's 20.
that like button, then get into that chat.
And then we can check that other dimension.
Workers know what's going on in the world of Too Tall to.
Yeah.
Be sure to take a moment and check out the Practice Models app over on the website.
And those cuts
Work on that Practice Models app. We continue to update that practice.
they're done after. So
The biggest updates that we've made to this app recently is the
Revolve
retry of previous.
this entire thing.
Now you see that if you go to TTT.com and go into the Practice Models app, you can get to it right here from this link right into the page.
We'll do a
You can see I've completed some of these practice models
6mm wall.
and try again. Got the try again.
Let's do the cut through.
Try to get my time to be a little
We're just going to do it super fast. So
average time. Look at this, Charlie. Fastest time. Rambros, the world champion, is in the chat right now on that challenge.
pretty good.
Huge update to the world of 3D CAD.
So we're going 10.
So again, using different CAD systems.
And then the next one is
your most
16.
time at the moment, or sorry, your whatever time you want to see. So when you do it again a second time,
And then that is going
the CAD system, and then save that time. That's all we're capturing at the moment. But maybe we'll see in the future. So,
55.
with that
45.
CAD systems.
And then what's the last one on the inside?
The only chance they know we are
6 mil wall thickness.
okay. So if you got a late start on this one, don't worry about it. But it's all about practice. It's all about you guys getting the good practice in. So we are
Let's see what we get if we do this.
in just a little bit later today. So
Yes, that.
check out that practice models app.
Let's see what happens if we get this far.
Check it out, see what you think about it. And then if you really enjoy the app and want to support the channel,
Yeah, look, I don't know.
membership, you can sign up for the premium membership. It's another way to directly support what we're doing over here at Too Tall Toby.
Don't know about this one.
Eric C already coming in with an answer.
Yeah, wow, Aaron. Kill it, mate.
Wow. I'm not going to say if that's right or not, but wow. Centennial Gamers, Fusion makes a front. Absolutely. You can compete,
Take these two,
what? As long as you can
mirror them.
material density and can output the mass, you can use whatever CAD you want. So absolutely, great question.
Cut through all.
Using CAD you want, or just practice models as well.
Okay, so got that thin section done.
Models challenges here.
When did it split them?
Ability to try. So check it out, practice models over at tootalltoby.com.
Let's do the split.
Even more 2D to 3D practice in. But yeah, to answer your question, as long as you
So
different CAD
they're splitting into 45, so it comes down. I know also
material density. The material densities are listed here
down
and that way they'll be able to
like that.
and program in the correct material density so you can compare it with the correct.
Should be able to mirror it if it's right.
Centennial Gamer is asking what uses an accepted software. Not only is it an accepted software, but Fusion 360 30, our Fusion 360 user, Ambrose, is currently the world champion of 3D CAD scheme modeling. He battled through a tournament of 16 people from around the world.
He did.
Won the entire tournament. Using 3D. So not only is it eligible, it's
It's wrong buttons. Let's mirror those around
CAD.
this one.
You want to learn your data skills.
Sorry about the ad.
Hey, guys, don't forget that we do have a donate function set up over at tootalltoby.com. If you do have the ability to support financially, you always
All right, so
1 3 week.
the lower tip is the plain carbon steel.
That's a great way to do it. Sign up for practice model side, just practice models premium. But we do have some users who come in with us.
The upper arm is the ABF.
It's at the recurring donation. And I want to make sure that we give them a special shout out.
Split was bad. This split was bad.
To Sylvain, to
It has to be a revolve cut. Sorry.
very, very much appreciate your guys' continued support. Really goes a long way to help us
That is a revolve surface,
develop the app.
and then the revolve surface we're using to split.
It's this idea of the gamification of 3D CAD. I think it's such a cool way to learn 3D CAD, kind of go through and see a challenge and try the challenge yourself, and then to see that on modeling it, seeing the expert modeling it, doing it for you.
So the tip,
Tipping some things that maybe you try.
plain carbon steel,
It's just such a fun way.
top ABS. I think, okay, that looks better.
And so I'm so happy.
So now we do a section view, we can see the difference.
I look forward to being able to continue to run it for as long as possible.
And then we've got the cuts.
These are just some of the people who have kind of supported us along the way. Huge shout out to all these people. And to everyone,
The cuts are going on the opposite side. Yeah.
whether it's
So on the right plane,
the
we've now got that detail, the vents.
today, letting other people know, answering people's questions in the Discord
33,
that people support the channel. I really,
75 from the bottom.
and of course, another great way to help support the channel is just working with me on an Ivan exploit video. That's a huge way to help support the channel. So there's lots of ways to help support the channel, and we really appreciate all of that.
And there's
These guys who have had that recur.
4 vents, 4x4x4 with 4 with a gap in the middle. So we want to draw a couple of lines.
On in the world of Too Tall Toby. Well, we did have some training last week. We taught our sheet metal training class. It was awesome. The students were really happy. We learned about sheet metal. I learned something from one of the students, and I shared that in my video last week about my bend lines not showing up. So that's always good when you're an instructor. You learn something from one of the students. That's why you do it. That's why you do it.
Dimensions, and then we'll be done.
Instructors too.
We can see how we're going in the chat. I reckon a few other people would have it by now.
We're also going to run a SolidWorks beginners training class.
Haven't been super speedy, but we've been reasonably accurate.
Just getting into the world of SolidWorks. We are going to be offering training.
Okay, doing a extrude cut through all. We're selecting contours.
So you can check it out.
Through all those.
choose.toby.thinkific.com forward. But
And our answer is 302.
those glasses.
303 grams at 1755. At 1755 in the chat. Can we see that? So let's see what other answers there are. Just at this point, I think the only one is Aaron C, who was 4 minutes ago. 305.8. So if his answer is 306 and the correct answer is 303, then he's wrong.
It's okay.
But I could be wrong. I could just as easily be wrong. All right. We've checked off all the answers in this little thing here. So Aaron's wrong. I'm wrong. Who knows? Tolerance, yeah. If it was ±3, then there's no question. Aaron's got it. Let's see.
This answered first, and we'll see who got it answered correctly. So it looks like the first answer that came in here, let's scroll up here. We had a lot of talk there. The first answer that came in here came in from, let's see here. Did Parge come in with this one? 305.811. Thought there was one a little earlier. Aaron C, here we go. 305.818. Parge coming in 305.811. Ram Bros Workshop 173.5 or 0.49. Let's see what else we got in here. Who else came in with an answer for this one? A lot of chatter this time. Ram Bros revising 1 to 173. Let's see what else. I want to make sure I don't miss anybody here. A lot of people saying we need to see a Christmas special. I like that. Parge coming in. 173 is the most popular in the chat. Just curious how it went from 305 to 173. 173 has me nervous now. Ram Bros, both guys, 173 were my answer.
All right.
3. Oh, she dares.
How's it going to go?
And see. All right, guys, let's see. What is the correct answer for this one? The correct answer is 306.
Oh,
Minus 2 grams.
damn.
Looks like it is Aaron C. It's good.
Aaron C. Nice.
Although I guess Aaron C, you did say 173 in one of your comments, right? So 173.
Awesome.
173 has me nervous. I don't think that was considered his submission though for an answer, right, chat? So let's see here. We got.
All right, that's really curious. Of course, because our dimension check was right. Our answer would be 303. Tolerance ±2 means we're 305, which means we're 1 gram off. So, yeah. But Aaron C smashed it on the time, for sure. So, good game, Aaron. I think we'll leave it there. We won't. We might post this in the Discord, see where we went wrong.
Yeah.
All right, let's go for the next one.
One, go. Well, what is the total mass of this multi-body part or assembly?
Another multi-body.
Right. Tolerance is ±1.
All right.
This model has 3 parts in it: a ball, a hook, and a lid. And this model, all parts are made of ABS. I thought this would be a fun one because you could actually
Yeah, it's fun.
print this model. That's kind of the idea behind what I was making. And I haven't 3D printed mine yet. I'm gonna give it a try and just see if my printer can handle that 2mm wall thickness. You'd probably want to print the ball down so nobody lays forced, and then you could see it. See if your printer can handle that. See if your printer can handle that ball at the 26mm diameter face down. And you could print the whole thing with that support. It'd be pretty cool. And then the other 2 parts, you can use your best judgment. I like having if the lid crease down and then the wire. I mean, you probably throw them a wire like that out of the show down there. Watch it. But you print that however you want. Although this would be kind of a fun thing. You could 3D print your own ornament, maybe add some text to it, make it something custom. And then if you're using a tree with you, hang that on the tree.
Hey,
You have yourself nice little festive.
what's the thickness?
Yeah.
2.
So I'm going to give you guys a couple of moments to take a look at that challenge.
Radius 4.
To take a screen capture. All parts are made from the same material, ABS 1020 kilograms per cubic.
Cut. No,
And go to
cut that one.
next challenge.
And fix some things up.
And with that, we're going to move on to a challenge where I'm going to take a sip of my delicious pink lemonade, spin dripped seltzer water.
Don't need that one actually. We're gonna have it.
I'm not sure how I feel.
Okay. Revolve.
Good. Feels like it's too with teacher. Yeah.
Okay, that's the ball.
That's got to be some.
That hooky thing.
Not a sponsor of this show, but they should.
How's the hook sit?
Water.
Does it sit inside? Think so.
Most much. But don't forget, guys, if you want to support the channel, you could buy the seltzer using the join option down at the bottom. I mean, set the join never or buy seltzer. I get hit. I'm not turning. Join. Buy me a seltzer wine.
18 of the outside. It's a 3mm wire, so radius of 18. Diameter of 36.
Here we go. Let's get into it here with the challenge using on sheet. I love on sheet.
So here's the numbers we're given.
On sheet, modeling up this model here is clean carbon steel. We're going to do what's called a live solve, where we're going to get through, we're going to try and solve this thing right here.
So 30 from outside to outside. Let's mirror.
Let's get into here with today's live solve. Good luck to order you trying to solve that C onwards.
30.
The C comes up with the correct mess. While you're working,
Turnaround is 1.5.
I is done. And so, like, whenever it comes to a modeling challenge like this,
It's a 3mm watt. We really want to do the middle of it so we can just do a sweep. It will be quicker. Which means the internal radius is actually 3.
do it off anything. You know,
Okay. Of those, it's in the middle.
and then she has,
That 20 on the outside is 20 minus
as far as my games like this,
3.
where was the origin?
So that should be 17.
Where's origin will be what?
Yep.
A lot of times,
Um,
what's going to be less?
that 36 for there
Another is very good.
is 36 on the outside
On there,
minus 3, so it's 33.
debtors, it could also
The height of that from the bottom to the center, so to the center point to there is 37.5 minus 1.5, so it's 36.
So in the case of this model here, I
And then this is a radius of 8.5.
here is my
That's going to be
see that this sheet here is symmetric, it's center.
10.
See that there's a lot of dimensions.
So those are a radius of 10. We need
It says to
a
have
position of this, which is 74 from the middle.
that. But as far as where
Okay, there we go. Because now we've done that, we can do that with a sweep
either way,
circular profile, 3 millimeters,
or there's a
unmerge. That one's done.
E dimension. We
Last one.
at the top of the slot, in the bottom, that's a piece plate. That's probably a good spot to have the origin as well. So I think that my final decision here is going to be the origin is going to be
It's got a bit of a pattern to it. Does it go down straight? It looks like it does.
here. So then that's
So we have this one.
starting profile is going to be
It has
order of the futures of this challenge going to be. So I'll start out,
31 on the outside.
extrude this thing down. I'll probably just extrude it all the way down to the max height, which is
22 millimeter hole.
it's going to be 12 plus 6. So I just extrude that all the way down to that 18 millimeters. And then after that,
2 millimeter wall thickness on the top. 2 millimeter wall thickness total. Going down 7 millimeters.
goes for the end. So after that, I'm going to
So we're going to go 7. We're going to offset
do the
2. uncheck, merge.
This is a waft just because
We'll just grab this body.
the ice curves that
And we're going to shell it
fuck you.
to get that thickness.
175 is you got
2.
and got this seat here.
We're going to, and it's got those rounds.
Only have one side curve
They're a bit tricky.
and will work you
That should be okay. If we get one happening,
to do that as
they are,
orders to keep this die cards the beginning the key is
so it's in the middle with a radius of 4.
let's go because it's the tendency of change it to your palm.
Going from one face to the other. So we're going to go
Here
from this face
is state sheet
to this face.
on the bottom.
That's not going to work.
Let it create a circle up here and it's needed in 2 directions.
How can we do it? Let's offset
You look to
10
in the wall.
up to surface.
Then you cut
We can do that.
all here and I've had it steered these cower.
And can we get rid of these two?
So that is our game plan.
No,
Well, I've been doing 15 short years.
but we can do a cut.
Oh, I think.
So we can do a circular pattern
And let's make on sheet here onto our private
here.
and
6 of these.
on sheet dot for
Now you do a cut.
6 months of on sheet we to you and do it company. So and choose some nice web on it.
Through all.
Go to eat over creative things here. Now this is a document of doing a covered space. So if I were to go to that
And the answer would be 54
24, that's 08.
at 43.25 in the chat.
So there are some people that have done this code that and that
43.25 in the chat. Okay, cool. And if we look
if somebody else
to see who's got it,
I can punch the card weapons to the
first one we have is
thing about work with Dom and lifting at its space.
beat me by 20 seconds. Good game, Dom.
Got their modeling coming.
And let's get into it here with our second answer. This is a pretty fun one. All right, take care, FPV Kev. Thanks for joining us. Good luck on the rest of the day. Let's see who came up with our first answer here in this challenge. The first answer came in at, let's see here. Aaron C comes in 53.9. Very nice. Rambros 53.8. We'll call that 54. Dom is in the chat. What's up, my man? 54 grams. Parge coming in 54 grams. I like these 54s here. Aaron C 54 grams. Parge 54 grams. I like revising, but basically keeping the answer because of the tolerance and precision. And Aaron C coming in with a super chat. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. Very much appreciated. A super chat for the happy holidays. That is awesome. Guys, the correct answer to this challenge is 54 grams as expected. So congratulations to anybody who finished that challenge. It's got a sweep in it. It's got a circular pattern in it. It's got a lot of different features in it. Not necessarily an easy challenge. And if you were able to try that challenge and finish it, awesome job. And if you do 3D print it, let me know. You know, send me an image of your final 3D printed model. I'm definitely going to 3D print this one. So let me know. Aaron C gets a clean sweep. Well done, my friend. 2 points for the very first live stream here.
Well,
Yeah, nice one, Aaron. And thanks, Toby, and thanks anyone for checking out the video. If you have been curious and you haven't seen my series, Build and Learn, it's where Lego builds and SolidWorks skills come together. It's kind of rolling off the tongue now. Nearly halfway through the series, I'm recreating a Lego off-road buggy. So check it out. Link will be up to the side after this. Yeah, love to see your comments. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching the video all the way to the end. If you enjoyed it, please like and share. If you've got any suggestions for other content, leave it in the comments below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And there's some other videos here. Check out. Thanks.